Hello guys! Today we're checking out Citadines Hotel in Roses Avenue, Quezon City. We checked in at around 2 p.m. and while waiting for our room to be ready, they've given us a complimentary coffee and stayed here in Alejo restaurant while waiting. Dahil medyo nag-antay kami, we were allowed for a late checkout for tomorrow. It's until 3 p.m. By the way, Citadines Hotel is a modern service apartment with fully equipped kitchen. They have induction stove, microwave oven, kettle, water, red toaster, mga baso, ito mga pinggan, marami ding mga cabinets. So, ayan nga, naglaro pa nga itong dalawa. Sino ba yung nagtatago na yan? Ayan, ang makulit ni Dustin. So, this is the room. I think this is king-size bed. So, yan, may TV dito. And ito ang kanilang view from the room. Yan, buong Quezon City. Very nice, right? This is the room, very spacious. Meron ding cabinet dito. Let's check what's inside. Ayan, meron ding ironing board, iron, slippers, hangers, and then hamper for your laundries. This is the living room. May TV rin dyan. Tapos meron ding sariling view of Quezon City. Maganda to paggabi. Very nice. At ayan na nga, nagutom na ang mga kids, kaya nagmerienda muna. After dinner, nag-relax na lang kami sa room at nanood ng PBB Big Night. Ayan, so masaya ko kasi nanalo ang Breka. The next morning, we checked out their buffet breakfast. This is complimentary breakfast. Yan lahat ng mga kinain namin. Plus coffee. Super sarap. Sorry, ang dami kong kinain. Ayan, ang sarap talaga. This is the Alejo restaurant. While we are eating our breakfast, sobrang hangin sa labas.